Hi, it's Mike from the Cyber Guys, and we want to just take 3 minutes to have a little tech talk about the cloud. What is the cloud? What is cloud computing? Well, in short, it's a marketing term. It makes what we've been doing in IT for a long time sound mysterious and ubiquitous. You look in the sky, you see clouds. Where's your data? It's in that mysterious place. It's in the cloud. Well, the reality is your information in the cloud is sitting on a computer or on some sort of storage device in a data center somewhere. When we use computing technology, but we make it available more remotely and more ubiquitously, you could call that cloud computing or cloud services. Another way to think of it is think of it as decentralized, centralized computing. In the old days, we had central computers, mainframes, and everyone had to connect to the mainframe to access their information and do whatever they were going to do with their computers. But over time, the scalability, the price, and all the factors, the limiting factors on using this for all of our computing needs just became impractical. What do people do? They went to the opposite extreme and put everything on separate standalone computers and then tried to network those computers together. And that carried all sorts of issues. So what have we done? We've kind of found a way to get the best of both worlds. We have distributed computer networks that use open systems and communication to pass information back and forth, to work together, to have basically supercomputers that are made up of independent components that all aggregate together to give you a lot of power. And virtualization has been one of the tools to do this, but that's for another talk. The idea is with these technologies, we have some of the benefits of centralization without the limitations of decentralization. Essentially, the cloud came into existence when companies like Amazon, who owned a lot of data centers, decided to use those resources as a new product service. That is, to become a sort of utility for those who don't want to own their own resources and perhaps can't even afford to have the level and scale of data centers and resources that a company like Amazon has. To simply use it the way a home user would use the power company. You don't have to do your own power generation. You don't do all that work of generating and distributing electricity. You just tap into the existing grid. Well, that's essentially what we do. We now tap into the cloud for application services, for storage, for database management, for whatever you want to do with a computer system. Instead of worrying about where the data center is, it's just in the cloud. Well, that's been another Tech Talk. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.